Hello friends, this is KD and you're watching Learning and Sharing with KD. In last video we have seen how to create a record using sequelize. In this video we are going to update the same record we have added previously in the table using sequelize. So let's get started. So for that we have to create again one new post API. So for that I need to copy this and paste it. So I'm going to update user now. So for that reason I have make that prefix as update record, and inside sequelize there is an update method. By using that method you can easily update records content in the table. So update method itself having a one where clause. We can easily see the syntax. So how to update a record inside sequelize? So we have to write a where clause method over here. We have primary key as id. So now I want to update whichever id we have sent from the use front end. That id will directly update his name, mobile number, email id, password, these fields. I want to update only these four fields by using id field. So now I'm going to update user is updated successfully, and if it in case any issues I will return something went wrong. So let's just test whether it is working properly or not. Copy this. I'm going to copy this, paste it over here. This and post method. So just click on it, copy, but edit, paste, key value pair. Now I want to update the last record, means id 6 ram. His mobile with 999999998. So I need to pass id as 6. So if I want to update Ram's mobile number from 9898989898 to 8 times 9 and 8. Inside body x paste it here. So just copy our API name. We have taken all this parameter with id column 6. So now Ram's mobile number is going to update with this number, and Ram has previous 9898989898 number. So let's click on send and check whether the API is working properly or not. It is showing an error calling 404 error localhost 3000 update user. So 4000 means we haven't saved this, so that's why. So now let's click on send button. Boom, user is updated successfully. Now we are going to check whether actually Ram's mobile number has changed with this new number.